Welcome to the channel Garden and Vegetable Patch with your own hands. In this video, we will be improving the soil fertility in our garden beds. I'll show you exactly how we do this right now. 2 months ago, one of our beds became available. We had been growing winter garlic here. In July, we harvested it and got a pretty good yield. And so that the soil wouldn't remain bare, we decided to sow a green manure crop on this bed. We chose peas. During the summer, there should always be something growing in the garden soil. If the soil is bare and exposed to the sun, first of all, it overheats and the organic matter in the soil gets destroyed. Beneficial soil microorganisms either die or their population decreases, the soil dries out, and it becomes subject to erosion processes. Now we will cut the green mass and incorporate it into the soil. In this way, we will enrich the soil with organic matter. 90% of the nitrogen on our planet is in the atmosphere, but atmospheric nitrogen is practically useless for plants. But the bacteria that settle on the root systems of leguminous plants, these bacteria are capable of fixing atmospheric nitrogen. They fix it, accumulate it, and leave it in the soil. And subsequently, the plants planted in this soil will already be partially supplied with easily accessible nitrogen that the bacteria have accumulated for them. This is, in principle, the main point of growing leguminous green manure crops in garden beds. You'll need scissors for chopping, and we're going to chop it up a little like this. If your bed isn't raised, but just some area planted with peas, then of course you can simply use a trimmer. A trimmer does a great job of chopping on its own, but our situation is a bit different, so we'll need to do a little manual work with scissors. It's no big deal, the area is small. By chopping it up this way, it'll just be easier to incorporate and the green mass will decompose faster. For the task of digging, we will definitely need a regular sturdy spade. All right, let's try to even it out a little bit more, shall we? And water it. You definitely need to water it thoroughly, ensuring a complete saturation to create significantly increased moisture levels, which will effectively help to kickstart the essential decomposition process of the newly incorporated green mass and organic materials. It's especially effective if you can do this 2 or 3 times like this during the season. Next season, you'll see how your soil has changed. Even the densest soil will become looser, and even the poorest will become richer in nutrients for plants. After growing this way, your plants will definitely grow better.